A digital protractor is an electronic device that measures angles with absolute accuracy and convenience. This is an intelligent device in the carpentry and woodworking sector. These devices have digital displays that provide clear and easy-to-read measurements, making them ideal for woodworking, metalworking, and engineering. In this video, we will show you guys the 7 best digital protractors you could buy now. All of their links are available in the description box if you are interested. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump to the video. Number 7. Gemred 82305 Digital Angle Finder Protractor. The Gemred 82305 Digital Angle Finder Protractor is a patented measuring ruler and protractor that can easily measure the outside and inside angles. The digital display makes it very easy to read. Well-made stainless steel rulers and laser-etched measurements. The ruler and protractor combination for easy measuring inside and outside angles. The 8-inch blade can be used as a 2-in-1 device as the blades are arranged in graduation. The Gemred Angle Finder could be locked at any angle and zeroed at any angle for relative measuring. The stainless steel construction makes it very durable. The minimal design of the display unit with 0 buttons and an on-off power button makes it convenient for the user. The device features a simple design with an accuracy of 0.3 degrees and a resolution of 0.1 degree, making it suitable for woodworking, crown molding, drawing, and sketching. Number 6. General Tools Number 828 T-Bevel Gauge and Amp Protractor. The General Tools Number 828 T-Bevel Gauge and Amp Protractor. If you are looking for a digital protractor for domestic use and minor works, this is the ideal product for you. Its intuitive design with blades coming in graduation allows it to measure the surface length and draw lines according to convenience. This protractor has a knob on one side, allowing it to hold on to the required angle. Its minimalistic design makes it ideal for minor projects and carpentry. This commercial-grade digital sliding T-bevel and digital protractor with an impact-resistant ABS handle feature a 360-degree stainless steel blade. It is also suitable for custom cuts and crown molding. The reverse angle function can also be used for the user's convenience. It allows drawing both inner and outer angles with ease. The device allows you to work 360 degrees with great 0 points and 3 degrees accuracy. Number 5. Neotech Aluminum Digital Angle Finder Protractor. The Neotech Aluminum Digital Angle Finder Protractor is a good quality digital angle protractor that will help you get through any project without much effort or hassle. This protractor comes with 2 spirit levels that are not digital. With high accuracy, delicate design, and modern appearance, an interior designer. This protractor has a backlit feature that enables the user to work in the dark. The lock knob and hold function allow you to secure the required angles permanently. It has a modern and delicate design that provides an of 225 degrees with impeccable accuracy within 0.5 degrees. With backlit LED display which makes it possible to read the data clearly, even under low light circumstances. It also comes with a hold button that saves you the hassle of tightening the knob, which makes it ideal for home projects and DIYs. It has a long-lasting 9 volts battery. Number 4. Eye-Gauging Digital Protractor. The Eye-Gauging Digital Protractor. If you are looking for a minimal and straightforward protractor with long arms, this is a good choice with 10-inch long blades. The stainless steel material makes it durable and long-lasting. It features a large LCD which increases readability. It also comes with a knob that helps the user to hold the angles. Its steel rules with 7-inch and 4-inch blades with photo-etched graduations inch and metric. The display reads continuously as arms are adjusted hold function so you never forget a measurement. The device enables the user to access a full range of 360 degrees with an accuracy within 0.5 degrees. The large clear LCD strong blade lock holds securely for the transfer of measurements. There are 3 buttons for power, hold and reverse, and the 0 button, making it easy to use. The battery is included when buying the tool. Number 3. General Tools No. 822 Digital Angle Finder Ruler. The General Tools No. 822 Digital Angle Finder Ruler is ideal for finding angles and tight spots. With the lock feature, the user can improve accuracy and save time when finding the measurement. It's perfect for doing work on framing and flooring. The digital angle gauge includes an LCD reader, making measurements easy to read, while the innovative center check notch enables exact ruler placement markings. The reverse angle function, a hold button, digitally saves the measurement, and the sizable ergonomic locking saves the angle manually. The protractor tool includes a battery-powered gauge with a 1CR2032 lithium-ion battery. It guides you through your wood-inspired projects, stair and patio construction, tiling, and many woodworking, carpentry, and contractor needs in the shop and field. This digital tool combines the ruggedness of analog rulers, both standard and metric, together. Number 2. Perciva Digital Finder Protractor. The Perciva Digital Finder Protractor has come up with a digital protractor that features a large LCD display that enables easy reading and has a measuring range of 0 to 999.9 degrees and accuracy of plus or minus 0.3 degrees. The locking function is convenient with the locking screw that can be pressed at any time for all different angles. It can be maintained accurately and read easily. The stainless steel material is durable for measuring both inner and outer angles. Moreover, the device can measure both metric and standard scales. It also allows relative and absolute angle measurements. The hold and reset function minimizes power consumption, and the included battery is usable for 2,000 hours. The auto shut-off feature closes the device after 6 minutes of inactivity. In addition, it also has the advantage of energy saving. It will automatically close after 6 minutes of inactivity. Number 1. Calculated Industries 7455 Digital Protractor. The Calculated Industries 7455 Digital Protractor is a versatile angle measuring tool that can work as a protractor and an angle gauge at the same time. It helps to measure all the workshop miters, bevels, and angles for setting miter saw blade angles, general woodworking, squaring frames, baseboard, molding, trim, and crown. The pivot in the tools enables the user to work with a full rotation of 360 degrees on both sides, which allows making both interior and exterior angles with genuine accuracy of plus or minus 0.3 degrees. Moreover, the large LCD display makes things easy to read. The stainless steel material makes it durable and convenient to use. It comes with a 3-volt battery, an auto shut-off feature, a protective case, and a user guide. The brand also offers a 2-year warranty. Make sure to check the description box for all the links regarding the mentioned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We will be back with more videos soon.